Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microbe Academy. In Microbiology lecture series Types of Plasmodium. Today we are going to discuss about the Plasmodium ovale. In previous videos, I have explained everything about the Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium vivax and Plasmodium malariae. If you haven't watched my previous video yet, please check it out first in Microbe Academy YouTube channel, and I will also leave the link in description below because this will help you to understand today's topic in even better way. Now let's begin about the Plasmodium ovale. Okay, now let's start from the geographical distribution of parasite. The Plasmodium ovale is the rarest of all plasmidia infecting humans and is seen mostly in the tropical Africa with the highest prevalence along the west coast of Africa and is rarely encountered outside the African continent. Talking about the clinical feature, the parasite produces a certain fever resembling the vivax malaria, but with milder symptoms than the Plasmodium vivax infections, characterized by prolonged latency and fewer relapse compared to the vivax malaria. To the life cycle of the parasite, the pre-erythrocytic cycle of the parasite lasts for the 9 days, which is shorter than the Plasmodium vivax, but biologically significant. The hepatocytes with seasons display the enlarged nuclei, which is a hallmark microscopic finding for the Plasmodium ovale, and each mature liver season can release the 15,000 merozoites into the circulation. And yes, hypnozoites is present in case of Plasmodium ovale also, where the hypnozoites are the dormant liver stage parasites responsible for relapses. These quiescent forms remain in the hepatocytes and can reactivate weeks to months after the initial infection. And after the pre-erythrocytic cycle, the erythrocytic stage start where the trophozoites and seasons are developed. And the trophozoites of the parasites resemble those with a vivax malaria, but are usually more compact and with a less amoeboid appearance. And Schiffer's dots appear earlier and are more abundant and prominent than in the vivax infections, which are a critical diagnostic marker for the Plasmodium ovale, and the seasons are morphologically resemble to those of the Plasmodium malaria, and the host erythrocyte is usually oval with a prominent squamous dot, and pigment is darker than the Plasmodium malaria seasons, and squamous dots are more prominent in the infected cell. Figure, we can see the infected erythrocytes are slightly enlarged and the young ring stage and older ring stage of the Plasmodium ovale, and the adult ring in enlarged oval erythrocyte, which give its characteristics name ovale, and several merozoid development stages and trophozoites of the parasite. This is the general morphological features of the Plasmodium ovale. Okay, now let's talk about the infected erythrocytes and diagnostic clues about the parasite. The key morphological features are the infected erythrocytes are slightly enlarged in thin blood film. The many RBC present are oval in shape with a fimbriated margins, and this oval appearance of the infected RBC is the basis for the species name ovale, and the squamous dot are prominent in the early appearing and abundant, and quick comparison with the Plasmodium vivax, it is milder, fewer relapses, and more compact trophozoite. And versus Plasmodium malaria, it has a similar seasons, but the oval RBC with the squamous dot. And the diagnostic pearl or a diagnostic key diagnostic features for the Plasmodium ovale is the oval RBC with fimbriated margins and prominent early squamous dots. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video useful, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. If you have any queries, please let me know in the comment sections, And in next video, I will discuss about the differences between all these four types of Plasmodium and in the lecture series of types of Plasmodium. Till then, see you in the next video.